Now, if your Qubo camera is not connecting to Wi-Fi, like it keeps failing setup, disconnects randomly, or just won't go online in the app, don't worry, there are a few fixes you can try, and most of the time it's a Wi-Fi band or router setting issue. So, let's go step by step. Step 1. Make sure you're using 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. First things first, check your Wi-Fi network. Most Qubo cameras only support 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, not 5 GHz. So, if your phone is connected to a 5 GHz band during setup, the camera won't receive the correct network information. Go into your phone Wi-Fi settings and connect to the 2.4 GHz network, then try the setup again. If your router uses the same Wi-Fi name for both bands, you may need to temporarily split them in your router settings. Step 2. Restart the camera and the router. Next, restart both devices. Unplug the Qubo camera for about 10 seconds, then plug it back in. Then reboot your Wi-Fi router as well. A quick router restart clears connection bugs and refreshes the wireless network. Step 3. Reset the Qubo camera. Now, if it still won't connect, do a full reset. Find the reset button on the Qubo camera and press and hold it for about 5 to 10 seconds. Wait until you hear a reset sound or see the light blinking. This clears the old Wi-Fi details so the camera can pair like it's brand new. Step 4. Set up the camera close to the router. Now for the setup process, place the camera right next to the router. Weak Wi-Fi signal is a common reason cameras fail to connect. Once the camera connects successfully, you can move it to its final location. Step 5. Re-add the camera in the Qubo app. Now open the Qubo app and choose the option to Add Device. Select your Qubo model and follow the on-screen setup steps. When it asks for Wi-Fi information, type your password carefully. Even one wrong capital letter will cause an instant connection failure. If the app shows a QR code, hold your phone steady and point the camera at it until you hear the confirmation sound. Step 6. Check router settings that block smart devices. Now, if it still fails, the problem might be your router settings. Some router features can block cameras from joining Wi-Fi, like guest network restrictions, MAC address filtering, hidden SSID, WPA3 only security. If possible, switch security to WPA2 or WPA2, WPA3 mixed mode. Step 7. Test using a phone hotspot. And finally, do a hotspot test. Turn on mobile hotspot from your phone and try connecting the Qubo camera to that. If it connects to hotspot but not your home Wi-Fi, then the camera is fine and your router is the real issue. And that's about it. Hopefully this video helped you fix your Qubo camera Wi-Fi problem. Like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.